In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Coursera. If you're updating your contact information or moving to a new inbox, this quick walkthrough will help you make the switch smoothly and make sure you don't miss important course updates, certificates, or receipts. Start by opening the Coursera website in your browser and logging into your account. It's best to do this on a desktop or laptop for the clearest view, but a mobile browser works too. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update and that you have access to the new email inbox you plan to use, because you'll need it to confirm the change. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings. This takes you to your account settings where you manage personal details and preferences. Take a moment to let the page fully load so you can see all the available options. On the Settings page, find the email address field. Click into it and carefully type your new email address. Accuracy matters here, so double-check for typos before you proceed. If you copy and paste, make sure there aren't any extra spaces at the beginning or end. When you're confident it's correct, click Save to apply the change. This updates your account pending verification, which is an important security step. Now, head to your new email inbox and look for a message from Coursera. It should arrive within a few minutes. If you don't see it, refresh your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, and consider searching for Coursera to surface the message. Some email providers also filter unfamiliar senders into promotions or updates, so check there too. Open the message and click the Confirm Email Address button to verify the change. This confirms that you own the new address and completes the update on your account. Once confirmed, your Coursera email is officially updated. From now on, Coursera will send notifications and important account messages to your new inbox, and you'll use that email when signing in. If something doesn't look right, return to Settings to review what's saved and try again, making sure the address is entered correctly. That's it, simple and secure. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step as you update your own account.